tin roof loud. Old man asleep, snoring, head up in the clouds. Dreams of fields and sky so endlessly wide, as thunder booms with lightning by his side. The creak of the floor, the wind whispers a tale. Windows rattle like a ghostly sailor's wail. Old man in his rocker barely makes a sound, lost in dreams where he's forever unbound. Old man snoring while the world spins around. Pitter-patter of the rain, a soothing sound. He dreams in technicolor, his heart wide awake. In the sleepy time, magic no one can fake. Storm passes by, leaves dancing in delight. Old man stirs but holds on to the night. Folks gather round, listen to his yarns, spun from the dreams of endless fawns. Raindrops dry, the sun starts to gleam. Old man wakes from his timeless dream. He stretches and yawns, but that smile on his face says he enjoys both worlds.